Hello guys, and welcome to this channel, OJ Marketing. In today's video guys, I'm going to be giving you a complete guide and tutorial of this AI tool called RunwayML.com. As this is an amazing AI that you can use to create stunning and amazing video content just by utilizing a simple text prompt or utilizing an image, converting that into a video by just simply running that through this animator platform. And this is a very cool tool that you can use to create stunning images like the one you did see on the screen right now. So guys, with that being said and no more delay of time, let's dive right into the video of today. So once you do come onto this platform called the RunwayML.com, as you can see, you'll be brought to this page that you can see right now. You can utilize this platform right here to go on to advancing your creativity with the help of artificial intelligence. As you can see right here, Runway is an applied AI research company shaping the next era of art, entertainment, and human creativity. And you could go on to try this platform for absolutely free. I'm going to show you later on the plans available for this AI tool. You can see right here that you could check out the Runway research that makes this everything possible right here for video creation right now. So if you do go into the top section, you can actually see right here in this research section that you can either gain access to the generation 1 or the generation 2. For the generation 1 right here, which is the latest model, it's actually a mitigating stereotype basis in text to image generative system. So you can just simply generate images just by utilizing a simple text prompt. For the generation 2 right here is a structure and content guided video synthesis in diffusion models, where you can create videos just from utilizing some cool AI prompt. You can see right here that these are the products available to you right here on this platform: the text to image, the image to image, the infinite image in painting, and a lot more cool stuff, including Gen 1 and Gen 2. You can check out the studios, the customers, and also the pricing structure of this AI tool. And you can see right here that this is actually the pricing structure of the AI tool, that you do get access to a free account right here for free. And for this account, you gain access to 150 credits right here entirely right now. And you can use that to go into creating cool and amazing stunning content. You can also see that there's a paid account, which is a standard plan for $12, there's a pro account for $28, an unlimited account for $76, and an enterprise account which you need to contact the platform for. And you can just simply check out the features of each account right here over this section right now. So once you sign up for any account right there, including the free account, just by utilizing your email address, you can sign up for the free account. If you do sign up for the free account, you can go on to login into your account and be brought to a dashboard that will look similar to this. Now if you want to go on to creating images just from, or creating videos just from utilizing text right now, you can actually click on this section that says start with text. If you do click on start with text guys, it's going to load up for you, where you can just simply go on to inserting the text prompt which you want to just simply utilize to go on to generating some cool images. And right now guys, I could just simply insert my text prompt in this section, but before I go on to inserting my text prompt, there are other things we need to go on to editing right here in this page. You can go on to selecting the aspect ratio of how you want the image to actually come out right there, or the video. You can come right here to actually select the speed. Here is actually for the amount of motion which you do want right here. You can actually increase or reduce that right now. So if I do reduce this to about 3, you can go on to editing the camera motion to your preference right here. Edit how you want the camera motion to be. You can actually go on to checking out the brush motion, and also this right here is for style, depending on the style which you actually do want right here. If you want this in a 3D cartoon style, select that. If you want this in a 3D render style, select. If you want this in a 35mm, and you can see right here that there are actually various styles you can just simply go on to utilizing right now. What I'm going to select is this sign lens right now, or you could go on to selecting cinematic or any one of your choice right there. So right now I'm just going to go on to inserting my prompt right here. Maybe I can actually put in something like man. So you can see right here the text prompt says a businessman with a full beard, wearing a brown suit and a black coat, sitting in his office. So if I do put in something like this, I can just simply click on generate 4 seconds video, and my video generation is actually being queued. And right now you can see the video generation is actually in progress. So once this gets up to 100% right here, you'll be able to see the cool video that will be generated right here just by utilizing this cool AI tool. You can actually go into changing the style that you are actually using right here. As you can see, there are numerous styles you can just simply go on to utilizing right here on this platform right now to create cool and amazing stunning content. So you could just simply select any style of your choice and create some cool content right now. So that's it right here for creating video just by utilizing text prompts. I'm going to show you the video later on. You can see right here, if you do go on to clicking on this image, you can actually go on to animating or converting an image into a video right here via utilizing this section. And you could just simply click on upload the file. If you do click on upload the file, you want to scroll through your device to go on to selecting an image you want to go on to animating right there. If I do want to just simply animate a 3D character, I'm just going to go on to inserting that or uploading that on this platform. As you can see, the uploading process is actually in progress, and once that uploads successfully, you'll be able to see the thumbnail of that particular image in this section and also the title of the image. This is the image right here. This is the thumbnail. You can go on to editing all those cool stuff I actually did show you of later in the previous section. And once you're done, click on generate 4 seconds video, and you can see right here the 4 seconds video is actually in progress. So you can actually see the video I actually generated right here utilizing that simple prompt. You can see right here that this is the video. This is how the video goes on to looking like right now, and depending on the style I actually did use, that actually came up with this image right here. So supposing I go back to that text section right here, as you can see the text is actually still here. I can actually go on to changing this right here from the sign lens maybe to something quite better right now. Maybe I could just simply select this advertising, and if I do select advertising, I'm just going to come right here and change this prompt right here to something like walking on the street. And guys, if I do click on generate right here, you'll be able to see the new kind of image that will be generated just by utilizing this simple text prompt right now. So that's how cool this AI tool actually is. The image generation is actually in progress. As you can see, this was the one I actually did use an image for to convert that image into a video, and this also right here is the one that I'm actually using a text prompt to convert a text into a video right now. But take a look at this one right here, which is the image to video. The video generation is in progress. You can see right here that this is how it actually went on to animating short video right now. So you can just simply play around this right here and create some cool and amazing stunning content right here just by utilizing this platform. If you do like the video right there, you can just simply click on this download icon, and that will actually be downloaded on your device right here. Via clicking on this download icon, you can go on to expanding the video right here to actually see how cool the video goes on to looking like via this section right here, and you could just simply leverage that to use for any purpose of your choice right now. So I'm just going to wait until this image generation has actually been completed. And the third option right here for you is to actually go on to utilizing both an image and description right here. Maybe if you do upload an image right here, you can also add a description to actually utilize that to shape that image into what you actually do want right now. So you can just simply go on to type in a cool description right here and just utilize an image also to generate some cool content. As you can see right here, using both prompts I actually did use for my text and the image right now. So take a look at the image that was generated just by utilizing this text prompt right here. Take a look at how cool the image goes on to looking like right now. If I go on to expanding this and this plays on for the 4 seconds, you'll be able to see how cool the image looks like. I'm just going to go on to rewinding this right here and see how cool the image goes on to looking like right now, or the video goes on to looking like right here. So guys, this is not actually looking quite cool enough right here for me. So you can actually go on to playing around this, and you can go on to generating a lot of cool content on this particular platform right here, and just utilize that to go on to utilizing for any purpose of your choice. So you can see how easy it is to create content on this platform right now. So depending on the input which you actually did use and the style which you are using, that depends on the kind of image that will be generated for you. So I do hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, do hit the like button to the video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and your notification bell is always turned on all, because I actually post videos about ways which you could earn money online with either CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and the use of AI tools. If you like such content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos that could help you out, and do hit the subscribe button to the channel. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.